Hello guys, welcome back to my lesson. It's a science lesson. Mixture and solutions, it be the topics for today. Okay, let's start. Mixture and solution. Most of the objects around us are not a pure substance. As I told you, everything around us are matter. Okay, they are matter, but they are not a pure substance. Pure substance, it means it's just one substance, but they are not a pure, it means they are not made from just a one substance. They are made from two or more than two substances. That's why we can say to them not a pure substance. Instead of not pure substance, we can use the term mixture. We can say to it mixture. Okay, a mixture is a what? Is a combinations of two or more different kinds of matter. It means it's a mixing of two or more different kinds of matter. It's a produce a what? It's a make a mixture. Okay, for example, it's an example for mixture. When you cook a salad, you need what? Tomatoes and also cucumber and onion. Those stuffs you have to mix it with each others. When you mix it, it's produce a what? A mixture. Okay, why we can say to the mix to its mixture? Because we can, after you mix it, we can after mixing, we can separate the salads from each others. For example, you can separate the tomatoes from the cucumbers and onions. Okay, you can separate the onions from the salad stew. Okay, that's why we can say to the salad it's a mixture. It's made up of from two or more different kinds of matter, and we can easily separate them from each other. And also another example for mixture, we have if you have a sugar and iron fillings. Okay, when you mix with each others, you can easily separate the iron fillings and sugar from each others by what? By their physical property, by using magnet's property. As I told you, the magnetism is a one of the physical property. When we use a magnet, the irons, it will be separated by the magnetism, and we can say to them mixture because we can easily separate them from each others. Okay, what about solution? We have some mixture that we cannot separate the substance from each others easily. That's why we say to those mixtures solution. For example, we have a what? We have a water, a glass of water, and when you take sugar in it, the sugars will be dissolved in it. Okay, we say to the sugar and water solution. A mixture. This mixtures we can say to it it's a solution. Why? Because we cannot separate the sugar from the water easily. Okay, it means a solution is what? A solution is a types of a mixture in which particles of two substances are mixed. Okay, and solutions cannot be separated easily. Hope you get it. What about the solubility? The solubility is ability of substance to be dissolved in another substance and can be used to help identify it. For example, solubility is a what? Solubility is ability of substance to dissolving in another substance. For example, it's a sugar dissolved in water. Okay, but but a ground black pepper cannot dissolve in a water. It means the sugar is a soluble substance, but the black ground pepper it's not soluble substance. Hope you get it. Solubility, it's a what? It's ability of what? Dissolving substance in another substance. Example was what? Sugar. It's a soluble substance because it's a dissolved in a what? In a water. But black pepper, it's not a soluble substance because it cannot dissolve in the water. Okay. And here we have another example. Sea water is a mixture of what? Of salt and water. Here we have a what? We have a sea water. It's a mixture and it can be separated from, we can separate the sea water salts from the water easily by what? By the evaporation. That's why we cannot say to it a solution. Okay, and here also we have a what? Sand. It's a mixture. Here we have a sand. It's a mixture of solids, and easily you can separate it from each others. Separate them from each other. And here we have a gas, a mixture of gas, and we can say to the gas solution because we cannot separate them from each others easily. Okay, hope you get it. Here we have a what? We have a sugar. Okay, in the picture, sugar with the water. When you take it, and it will be what? A sugar solution. But here we have a what? We have a sand. Here we have sand. Okay, sand. And with the water, when you mix, it's not be a solution, it's be just a mixture. Okay, but this mixture is be a solution because the water is dissolved in the the sugar is dissolved in the water. Okay, and here we have a salad. It's an example of a what? Of mixture. Because of what? Because we can easily separate the cucumber from the salads, or separate the tomatoes from the salads too, and onions too from the salads. Okay,